Hello guys! Welcome back na naman dito sa ating YouTube channel guys. So dito, meron na naman tayong ginawa ng Lanyard Idealist Printing. Department of Education na lanyard lace. So yun yung quality natin ng printing. High quality tayo dito guys for quality product, quality printing, quality output. Yan yung design natin. Customized design to guys for the future. Yan yung ginawa natin ngayon. So makita nyo guys, the quality of the print is sharp or high definition siya guys. At the same time, kapag prines na to dito doon sa sa heat press natin, yung mangyayari yung quality ng printout dito na lumabas dito sa ating printer, yan din yung quality na nakikita natin doon sa ating lanyard output guys. So after natin maprinta, so we will gonna proceed this one to our production na heat press na. Doon na din natin ipa-assemble, and then at the same time, after natin mabuo ito, I will do a video for that one. I will post also here in our YouTube channel. So guys, thank you for watching this video. So kindly subscribe na rin guys para sa mga content na ganito. And then if you want to learn more about this printing services, you can proceed or watch our video in our YouTube channel. So maraming mga tutorial doon guys na makikita nyo na ginawa ko long time ago for the new beginners, new na mga printing, mga beginners na mga gustong magkaroon ng printing services na minimal type. Nandun din yung mga tutorial natin guys. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Good day guys sa inyong lahat. And then kindly like and subscribe na rin guys. Comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you very much for watching guys.